let's make some tamarind extract. First, you'll need to get your tamarind pulp ready. You're starting with whole pods. Crack open the shell and remove the pulp. Here I'm working with a fresh organic block that I purchased from my local Asian grocery. Now it's time to soften it up. I start with approximately 1 cup of pulp to 2 cups of hot water. Make sure it's enough to cover it and let it sit for about 15 minutes. That allows the pulp to soften, makes it easier to work with, and you can add more water if you need as you go. After soaking, use a spoon or your hands to mash the tamarind and mix it well with the water. Set the strainer or colander over another bowl or saucepan and pour the tamarind mixture through it. Stir it, press down on the mixture, do whatever you can to separate the seeds and fibers from the pulp. You'll be left with the thick tamarind paste that's ready to use in your favorite recipes. It's perfect for adding a tangy flavor to soups, sauces, and marinades. Make sure you store any leftover in an airtight container in the fridge. It can last for weeks. And there you have it, quick and easy tamarind extraction. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cooking tips.